As we enter 2023, I thought of sharing the year-end report for 2022 with all of you, as you may have missed a few videos. And of course there is a surprise in today's video, so stay tuned. And before we discuss engine oils, I would like to draw your attention to something different that we did this year, where I shared my experience and opinion on different motorcycles, where the spectrum was wide enough to cover two-stroke legends, fast adventure tourers, and even electric motorcycle. Apart from all this, there was a long-term review on the RTR 200 4V, the Ertiga CNG, and even we managed to squeeze in the Destiny 125 in this. This year also brought the G310R home, where I have tried sharing the ownership experience right from the running end tips, fuel efficiency numbers, service cost, minor modifications, and there is a lot more planned with the G310R in the coming time. Before we move in towards the big surprise, I cannot bypass the engine oils, where this year I have tried covering different engine oils from different price segment, and we also got to see a wide range of brands and their offerings in different segment. Lab tests were also a part of this, where I went creative and tried solving common doubts like motorcycle engine oil versus scooter engine oil, gear oil versus engine oil difference through complete lab tests. This year, right from January, you will get to see some big myth-busting lab tests on engine oils that will make you rethink about a lot of stuff. Amongst all this, there were videos on fuel additives and DIY stuff that shared useful tips on service and periodic maintenance of your machine. I guess all of this makes 2022 a wholesome year in terms of content quality, and I think this made YouTube select us as the next up brand ambassador. This is definitely a proud moment for the channel and for all the enthusiasts like you and me who are a part of this automotive community that is eager to learn and is always curious to know more. Getting noticed by the platform itself verifies that we are in the right direction, where we will continue this journey in the coming time. And I really feel blessed to have support from all of you. Honestly speaking from my heart, I never have the answer of what I am doing with this channel or what this channel is doing for me. I'm just doing what I love with a hope that it will be loved by a bunch of enthusiasts like me. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.